matter. Come on. Please. Just show what you know. At least, your colleagues will really get motivated with what you know. Start. Follow it, okay? Just check this in. Alright. No problem. So, before we go ahead, we should know what Surya Namaskar is and how many asanas does it have. It has all 12 asanas, okay? This is the best thing what you can do at your home. People who do not have any knowledge, okay? Every person, when you're going into some fitness category, especially yoga, it has a lot of catches also. So you need to be very careful doing everything, okay? You just have to check what you're doing and how much of quantity you're doing, okay? How many numbers you're doing, right? So these things you might have no idea because you're not into the fitness background, right? In that case, yes, you can do number of Surya Namaskaras at your home with small warm-ups what you know. I'll show the beautiful postures of Surya Namaskar in a simple manner where you can do it at your home for at least 20 to 25 numbers regularly. And the day on, you can just go on increasing the numbers, alright? So that would be a great exercise for all of you at home without any help. So let us start with the first Surya Namaskar. I'll just show you one more thing announced. They will be given up. Beautiful goodie. Sweet, tasty goodie. So come on, let us start with your efforts to all these things. Alright, let's start with breathing up. Breathe out, down. Beautifully. Yes. Next, you put your left leg back as we have done the right leg previously. You take a breathe in over here. Next, you breathe out, putting the other leg back. Keep on continuously breathing with your nostrils. And now you slowly come forward, push yourself down. Beautiful. Now you breathe in up slowly. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Putting your leg forward. Alright. And you breathe out again. Breathe in up. Stretch and relax. Good job. Third one. Last three left. Come on. Beautiful. Good. Breathe in up. Breathe out. In, right leg back now. You all are going good. Out. Next. Slow it down. And you breathe in up again. Breathe out. Beautiful. Good job. In again. Stretch yourself. Stretch. Next. Breathe out. Breathe in up. And you stretch and relax. You left the last two numbers. Good job. Breathe in
Keep
out.
going, guys. Well done.
Yes, now you just put your right leg back and push yourself up. Your leg should be straight behind. Yes, straight behind. Alright. Next, put your other leg back. See that you touch your heels down. Push yourself inside, tuck your heads in. Please tuck your heads in. Beautiful. Next you come forward like this. Yes, beautiful. Slowly go down. Beautiful. Put both your legs down. See, you can just put both your legs down without taking the support of your toes and you slowly breathe in up. Beautiful. Everybody. Now take the support of your toes and just come back to Parvatasana. Yes, now you put your left leg forward. Alright, push yourself. Just push yourself for the flexibility. Beautiful. Then the other leg forward. Now, in case when you're not able to touch your legs, okay, just push yourself like this, okay? So that you slowly become flexible. Beautiful. And you slowly breathe in up. Stretch and relax. Oh, beautiful. Everybody, yeah? Good job. Let us start with, let us make up for 5 Surya Namaskar minimum for this day. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come forward. 8. Now you slowly go down. Now you breathe up. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly come back to Purvakasana. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next you come at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're almost done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slowly breathe now and hold on for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch and relax. Beautiful, beautiful. Good job done. Now everybody's heart rate is really, really high. So let us keep ourselves with silence. Refresh yourself. You take a breather. Calm breathe. Breathe out. Breathe up. Breathe out. Closing your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now give a lazy stretch up. Stretch yourself tight. Raise your head up. Push yourself down. Please listen to my instructions. This will be done for 19 times. Alright, I'll tell you the benefits later. Before that, let us do Omkaram. Breathe out, saying Om. Slowly take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you slowly rub your palms. Vigorously. Do not open your eyes. Just massage your face with your fingertips. Slowly rub your throat down. Just wipe the whole sweat with your fingers only towards your face, your neck. Slowly go towards your shoulders.